Ship stresses and the measures on board to counteract the effect of ship stresses. The common stresses that affect ship stresses: hugging, sagging, shear forces, torsional, panting, pounding, and rocking. Which is one, hugging, of course, when the ship's center is lifted by a wave crest while the bow and stern hang down. The keel bends upward, stretching the upper deck and compressing the bottom. Sagging happens when the bow and the stern rest on a wave crest with the center in a through. The keel bends downward, trenching the bottom and compressing the upper deck. Three, shear forces and equal vertical forces on adjacent ship sections cause a structural deformation and potential failure at weak points. Torsional stress, twisting forces from uneven wave action on port starboard sides, common in wide-deck ships like container vessels and leading to hull twisting. Five is panting, alternating inward, outward, movement above and stern, hull plates due to the changing water pressure, can fatigue and weaken plating. Six is pounding or slamming, repetitive forceful impact of the bow or flat bottom areas against waves causes localized damage to bow and keel. Rocking, side-to-side distortion of the ship structure from rolling in heavy seas stresses transverse frames and bulkheads. Measures counteract stresses are actual design features. There are longitudinal transverse strength, double bottom construction, distributes loads evenly to reduce shear and bending. Reinforced bow, stern, thicker plates withstand panting and pounding. Two is loading and ballasting practices. Proper cargo distribution to avoid uneven forces. Adjust ballast for even keel, especially in rough weather. Avoid overloading per load line marks. Three is operational adjustment. Reduce speed in rough seas to minimize pounding. Alter course or use weather routing to avoid severe conditions. Three is monitoring and maintenance. Use stress monitoring system for real-time data or regular inspection and prompt repairs of critical areas. Five is use of bulkheads. Watertight bulkheads limit flooding and boost transverse strength. Collision bulkheads protect against head-on impacts. Six is dynamic stability management, anti-roll systems, reduce rolling and rocking, and lastly, optimize strain to distribute stresses evenly.